All right, this is noteworthy. If you've gone this far to change your transmission, I was just going to keep going, but I need to give this tip. Could save you a lot of problems. And so I'm going to go over a couple things. I actually looked at YouTube videos and I asked about what the final position of this torque converter is supposed to be. And if you look down the face of this, from this end across to this, without using a flat edge, you shouldn't see anything past those two lines. And so that would mean it's flush or slightly recessed behind. Otherwise, you're going to have a problem. Now, usually you turn a transmission or put a torque converter and you just turn it like once. And it goes click, and then it engages and you feel like you're done. Well, that's why I made this video. If I didn't know this was supposed to be flush, I would have already made a mistake probably 3 times, because I already clicked it in one time and it clicked. And I thought I should probably turn it again. And I turned it again and it clicked and went in another 1/2 inch. And I turned it the 3rd time and the 4th time. And on the 4th time it clicked. It finally went into the position it's in right now. And it engaged every single time something in there. But anyway, it's flush now. The other tip is that grease that you see in the back of that rear main seal area where this pilot goes. So I guess even though these are bolted up, you don't want to leave them dry because they can chatter and they can get stuck. And I guess these torque converters flex around. So you want to grease these. So I greased that. So it'll probably help it go in easier. And then if it does go back and forth, it'll have some lube in there so it won't cause any other problems. Those are the two things I wanted to share if you've gone this far with your 4R100 or any other transmission. Hopefully that helps.